Where am I going next?
Sorry, Snoopy. You can't go with us. Dogs aren't allowed on the school bus. Woof.
Hello! This week we are going to be packing for a transatlantic move, and the location of my moving will be revealed in a later video, so I tricked you. Yes, I'm leaving the States and I'm going back to Europe, and today I'm gonna be sharing with you the tips and tricks I have accumulated over the years for packing suitcases. This is the third time that I'm moving to a new country, if you count the 6 months that I went to France for Erasmus, but I'm gonna count it because it's still packing to move for 6 months, even 6 months. So back then I only had one suitcase and one carry-on, and when I came to the States I had 2 suitcases and 2 carry-ons. And tip number 1, if you are taking a long flight and you need more suitcases than you are provided with the standard ticket, which is one suitcase of 23 kilos, or how many pounds that is, I will write it somewhere on the screen. Turkish Airlines and Singapore Airlines give you in your ticket 2 big suitcases and the carry-on. So I took advantage of that, and I came to the States with Turkish Airlines. Well, now that I'm leaving, I kind of accumulated some stuff in the 2 years that I've been in the States. So I kind of got a 3rd suitcase for my move, but that's besides the point. These tips you can actually use even when packing a carry-on for 1 week vacation. It doesn't really matter. But yeah, that's it. I will stop babbling now and let's pack. Socks, underwear, long socks, boxers, not your bras, maybe your bralettes. Stuff them in, and then you pack them separately, and then you put them on your suitcase. I'm gonna show you how. Here we're putting our booty and our other booty, both of them filled with clothes, and we put them upside down. So basically you pack them like this, but in their bag. Why do you want a bag? So that it doesn't make your clothes dirty. These are my tips and tricks for packing a suitcase. I hope that you learned something. I hope that these will help you out next time you are packing your suitcase. Comment down below if you knew any of these, or if you're gonna use it next time you have to pack to move somewhere or go vacation. Well, who actually does go on vacation now? Nobody, because there's COVID. So let's yeah, don't comment that. Comment if you knew any of these or whatever pops into your mind. But yeah, thanks so much for watching my video, and thanks so much for tuning in. Bye!